Hello students, let us come to exercise 3.5 of NCERT, which is based on the concept of method of cross multiplication method and the conditions of solvability of linear equations. Now children, based on the concept of conditions of solvability of linear equations, we will be doing one exercise of R.S. Agarwal also. Few selected sums I will be doing. But in this exercise 3.5 of NCERT, all such type of questions are covered. So let us first start exercise 3.5 NCERT, question number 1. Now question number 1 is saying, which of the following pairs of linear equations has unique solution? Unique solution, children, remember, a pair of linear equations have unique solution if a1 by a2 not equals to b1 by b2. Now again I repeat the question, which of the following pairs of linear equations has unique solution, no solution or infinitely many solution? Next part, in case there is a unique solution, find it by method of cross multiplication method. So we have to first check whether the equation has unique, infinite or no solution, and if it has unique solution, we have to solve it by method of cross multiplication method. So let us start, children. Question number 1, subpart number 1 is, the system of two linear equation is x minus 3y minus 3 equal to 0 and 3x minus 9y minus 2 equals to 0. Let us start the solution. Here the given system of linear equations are x minus 3y minus 3 equals to 0, equation 1, and 3x minus 9y minus 2 equals to 0, equation 2. Here a1 equals to 1, a2 equals to 3, b1 equals to minus 3, b2 equals to minus 9, and c1 equals to minus 3 and c2 equals to minus 2. Clearly a1 by a2 equals to 1 by 3, b1 by b2 equals to minus 3 by minus 9 equals to 1 by 3, and c1 by c2 equals to minus 3 by minus 2 equals to 3 by 2. Therefore, a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 is not equals to c1 by c2. Therefore, the given system of linear equations has no solution. So after this solution is complete. We don't have to, actually no solution, because a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 but not equals to c1 by c2. So let us proceed to subpart number 2. Question number 1, subpart number 2 is, the given system of linear equation is 2x plus y equals to 5 and 3x plus 2y equals to 8. The given system of linear equations are 2x plus y equals to 5 and 3x plus 2y equals to 8. Make it equation number 1, make it equation number 2. Here a1 equals to 2, a2 equals to 3, b1 equals to 1, b2 equals to 2, and c1 equals to minus 5 and c2 equals to minus 8. Clearly a1 by a2 equals to 2 by 3, b1 by b2 equals to 1 by 2. Now we can see that a1 by a2 not equals to b1 by b2, so we will not go forward for c1 by c2. We will be simply writing, therefore a1 by a2 not equals to b1 by b2. Therefore, the given system of linear equations has unique solution. Now let us find that unique solution by the method of cross multiplication. X under x we will be writing over here 1, 2, minus 5, minus 8. Y under y we will be writing 2, 3. Minus 5, minus 8 is already written. And then 1 under 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2. And before this we will be writing by method of cross multiplication. By method of cross multiplication we have, then we will be writing this one. Make it this sign. This implies x divided by minus 8 plus 10 equals to y divided by minus 15 plus 16 equals to 1 divided by 4 minus 3. This implies x divided by 2 equals to y divided by 1 equals to 1 divided by 1. Make it 1, 2 and 3. Now from 1 and 3 we get x equals to 2, and from 2 and 3 we get y equals to 1. Therefore, x equals to 2, y equals to 1 is the answer. Question number 1, subpart number 3. The given system of the linear equations are 3x minus 5y equals to 20 and 6x minus 10y equals to 40. So let us start the solution. Given system of linear equations are 3x minus 5y equals to 20 and 6x minus 10y equals to 40. Make it equation 1. Equation number 2. Here a1 equals to 3, a2 equals to 6, b1 equals to minus 5, b2 equals to minus 10, c1 equals to minus 20, c2 equals to minus 40. Therefore, a1 by a2, don't write therefore, a1 by a2 equals to 3 by 6 equals to 1 by 2, b1 by b2 equals to minus 5 by minus 10 equals to 1 by 2, and c1 by c2 equals to minus 20 by minus 40 equals to 1 by 2. Therefore, a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 equals to c1 by c2. Therefore, the given system of linear equations has infinite solutions. So let us go to subpart number 4. Subpart number 4 of question number 1. The given system of linear equations are x minus 3y minus 7 equal to 0 and 3x minus 3y minus 15 equals to 0. So let us start the solution. The given system of linear equations are x minus 3y minus 7 equals to 0 and 3x minus 3y minus 15 equals to 0. Make it equation number 1 and this one number 2. Now here a1 equals to 1, b1 equals to minus 3 and c1 equals to minus 7. a2 equals to 3, b2 equals to minus 3 and c2 equals to minus 15. a1 by a2 equals to 1 by 3 and b1 by b2 equals to 1. Minus 3 by minus 3 will be 1. Therefore, a1 by a2 not equals to b1 by b2 implies the given system of linear equations has unique solution. So let us find that unique solution by cross multiplication method. By method of cross multiplication, we have x under x minus 3 minus 3 minus 7 minus 15. Y under y 1 3 minus 7 minus 15 already written, and then 1. Now under 1 1 3 is written, so left is minus 3 minus 3. This implies, now the signs, this implies x divided by 3 into minus 3 into minus 15 is 45 minus of 21 equals to y divided by minus 21 plus of 15 equals to 1 divided by minus 3 plus of 9. This implies x divided by 5 minus 1 is 4 and 4 minus 2 is 2. X divided by 24 equals to y divided by 6 minus 6 equals to 1 divided by 6. Now make it equation number 1, 2 and 3 in Roman. There we should make it in Hindu-Arabic form. These two equations we used to make in the equation number in Hindu-Arabic form, and this one try to make in the Roman numeral form. So what we get from 1 and 3, x equals to 24 by 6 equals to 4, and from 2 and 3, y is equals to minus 6 by 6 equals to minus 1. Therefore, x equals to 4, y equals to minus 1. Answer.